How to get a return shipping label on Amazon, Tutorial 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you need to return something on Amazon and you are wondering how to get that return shipping label. Whether the item was wrong, damaged, or you just changed your mind, I am going to show you exactly how to get your label on both desktop and mobile in under 3 minutes. Let's jump in. On desktop, go to Amazon.com and log into your account. Hover over Account and Lists in the top right corner and click your orders. You will see a list of everything you have purchased recently. On mobile, open the Amazon app, tap the profile icon at the bottom and tap your orders. Same thing, all your recent purchases listed right there. Find the item you want to return and click or tap Return or Replace items next to it. Amazon will ask you why you are returning the item. Select the reason that best fits your situation. Options include wrong item received, item arrived damaged, no longer needed, item defective, or arrived too late. Be honest with your reason because it affects whether Amazon covers the return shipping or you pay for it yourself. After selecting your reason, Amazon may ask for a brief comment. Keep it short and clear, 1 or 2 sentences is plenty. Now here is the important part. Amazon will present you with multiple return options depending on your location. The most common options are a prepaid UPS shipping label, drop off at an Amazon locker, return at a Whole Foods or Kohl's location, or schedule a UPS pickup from your home. Select the option that works best for you. If you want a printable shipping label, choose the UPS prepaid label option. Amazon will generate it instantly. Once you select the prepaid label option, Amazon will either email the label to your account email or display it on screen ready to print. Click Print Label, grab your printout and tape it clearly onto your return package. Make sure the barcode is fully visible and not folded or wrinkled. No printer, no problem. Choose the QR code option instead. Amazon will send a QR code to your email or display it in the app. Take that QR code to your nearest UPS store, Amazon Locker, Whole Foods, or Kohl's. Show them the code on your phone screen. And they will print the label and handle the packaging for you, completely free. No box and no printer needed on your end. If you are shipping it yourself, place the item back in its original packaging if possible. Remove or cover any old shipping labels on the box so they do not confuse the carrier. Attach your new return label securely on the outside. Drop it off at your nearest UPS location, Amazon Locker, or authorized drop-off point. Once the package is scanned by the carrier, Amazon will send you a confirmation email and your refund will begin processing. Most refunds hit your account within 5 to 7 business days after Amazon receives the item. Tip 1. Always start your return within the return window. Most Amazon items have a 30-day return window, but some categories like electronics may have shorter deadlines, so check before it is too late. Tip 2. If your return is due to an Amazon error like wrong item or damaged product, return shipping is always free. If you are returning because you changed your mind, a return shipping fee may be deducted from your refund. Tip 3. Keep your drop-off receipt or take a photo of it as proof in case anything goes wrong during transit. And tip 4. Track your return in the app under your orders to confirm Amazon received it and your refund is on the way. And that is exactly how to get a return shipping label on Amazon in 2026. Go to your orders, select your item, choose your return method, print or grab your QR code, pack it up and drop it off. Simple, fast, and stress-free. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Amazon tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I will catch you in the next one.